Hello everyone, this is Dr.Meetakshi. Welcome to my channel once again, although there has been a good amount of break in between. So we're going to talk about digital marketing and the different aspects where how can you make your online presence successful. Now, there's nothing much tricky or magical about digital marketing. Neither do you need to know, great technicalities about the online presence. There are simple techniques which you need to know, which you must apply so that you ensure that you're successful when you're going digital. So let us just start. In today's video, we are going to talk about understanding the journey of your customer. Okay, as we all know that in today's time, purchase and purchase decisions are increasingly made online. Regardless of whatever you sell, an online presence is very necessary to capitalize on the same trend. Nothing much has changed, although, if we talk about marketing, it is still about developing mutually beneficial relationships with the prospects, leads, and the customers. Now, who are these prospects, leads, and customers? I have already discussed in my previous video. So today in this video, we are going to talk about the role of digital marketing in assisting in moving these prospects, leads, and the customers from one stage of their customer journey to the next. So savvy companies in today's time, they use internet or the digital media to drive awareness and create interest among their target audience or the audience that they're trying to prefer, in the other words. And they also, at the same time, they try to aim to convert these casual buyers into their brand advocates. Now, who are these casual buyers? They are people who are actually just trying and testing your product. Probably they are not aware of your products and your services. And your brand advocates are the people who have really liked your product, are now in a stage where they are preferring uh, the values or the services that your product is offering, and they are also recommending your product to other members of their network. So, how do you create this target audience? The very first and very essential step that we're going to discuss in this video specifically is creating this customer persona, or you may call it as an ideal customer persona, or the buyer persona, or the marketing persona, or your target audience, whatever name you call it by. What are the essentials that you need to look into to create the customer persona? We're going to just discuss. The rule of good and strategic marketing is to move from one stage to another. That is, if the cold prospects are there, to the buyers, and then finally to the promoters. Therefore, we need to keep these 5 elements into consideration. Let us discuss what. Number one is the characteristics of an ideal customer. It is very essential that you attain clarity on the demographic features of the customer that you are trying to idealize, that you prefer should be buying your products or services. What are the demographic features? We already know, such as your age, gender, marital status, ethnicity, income, nationality, political preference, etc. Number two is clarity on the goals of the customers. Now, what are the basic goals of the customers? That means what values does your ideal customer holds very dear? What values is your ideal customer actually looking into? Determine what these the ideal customer is trying to achieve. Number three is what challenges your customers are facing in basically meeting these goals. What is holding them from achieving his or her goal? Number four is find the social media platform where your ideal customer is basically spending maximum amount of time to get information or for the purpose of entertainment So basically, there can be different, websites, the social media platforms such as your Google, YouTube, Blink, so on. Fifth or the last point is the objections. Now, this specifically means, why would your basically ideal customer choose not to buy your products or service even after applying the best marketing technique at your level? What is actually stopping your ideal customer to not to prefer your product or services? This is for today. And in the next video, we're going to talk about how do you actually create your target audience. What are the essentials? What is the basic requirement which will help you create your target audience? Thank you.